Alrighty.
There we go. So there's about me. So there are the statistics that we went over, which are that 26% of respondents don't know how to use social for selling, and 31% of professionals say that it's critical to their social process. So there's a gap, right? That we just went over, talking about our sales, our social consumers. They need you via social media. And this is a chart I was just going over about choosing the right platform. So making sure that you know what platform is appropriate for your business, making sure you understand what your goals are, and then matching those, right, to the right platform. So one is you want to pick one platform that is your primary superpower, and then from there you want to expand. And so you don't want to just stay in one place or hope that one channel fits your whole strategy. You want to actually strategize according to each channel. There are ways that every business fits every single social media channel.